Okie dokie, I'm back at Epic Adventure Outfitters on our 606 horsepower Poseidon JL build. And I think today we're going to be doing some exhaust and some other things. So let's get into that right now. Hello, sir.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. Back for another day to do some exhaust stuff.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we can get the exhaust all put in today. We haven't done a Wrangler like this, so it'd be interesting on how the exhaust goes in. It's definitely different than Gladiator, but I gotta just wrap up the one part where it swings past the tank, so make sure that the heat doesn't get all over there, anywhere near the tank. And then we'll put all the rest of the pieces in and just mock it in there for today until the body goes back on, and then we'll set everything properly.
Sweet. Let's do it.
Perfect. Yeah, there you go. So that's pretty much the exhaust done in here, other than tightening all the clamps. I got a couple of brackets that I got to finish off. Got to twist the exhaust just a little bit to get a little extra clearance on the transfer case. I think once we get that done, it'll be pretty easy actually install for this exhaust, anyways.
Sweet.
Yeah, it's a good design, good setup. I like it.
Very cool.